Hey,
Do you have a sick kid at home and need a quick cleaning spray to get the job done? In this recipe, we're going to teach you how to use natural ingredients with our special cleaning tab and essential oils to make a cleaning recipe that you can trust. To make this recipe, you'll want the October Simply Earth recipe box.
and then find your recipe cards and you'll want your labels.
You'll want to grab your cleaning tablet. Your packaging is going to look a little bit different than what we're using in this video. You'll also grab Digest Essential Oil Blend, Eucalyptus, and Fir Needle. Each of these oils have natural cleaning properties that you can trust.
And from your kitchen, you're gonna wanna grab a spray bottle.
And you'll also want to use some distilled water. You can use tap water, but your shelf life will be shortened to be about 7 days. With distilled water, we'd expect this recipe to last around 6 weeks. We love how easy this recipe is to make. This cleaning tablet takes all the work out of finding those extra ingredients. Put that tab in. We'll add 20 drops of eucalyptus, 13 drops of Digest Essential Oil Blend, and 7 drops of Fir Needle. And we're gonna fill our 16-ounce spray bottle up with distilled water. The cleaning tablet is going to dissolve into the water, and while it's doing that, it's gonna help solubilize the essential oils. The essential oils will get blended throughout the water. You will notice some separation of essential oils on the top, particularly citrus oils tend to break away from the rest of the cleaning solution. If that occurs, just shake it before you use it. Don't forget to label your spray bottle so you can remember what's inside, and to use it, just spray any surface and wipe it away. To gain more confidence and clarity with essential oils, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box.
Go to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
You'll love making recipes just like this with essential oils.
Thanks for watching.